How to change lock screen clock on your Android phone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to teach you how you can change your lock screen clock on your Android device. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and see how to do that. So for that, you can directly head over to your settings of your device, although the features may vary depending upon the mobile device. Again, you normally should basically go to the lock screen option in your settings. So just go ahead and tap on it, and here when you head over to lock screen, you'll be finding different options regarding your lock screen that you can make the changes to. For example, clock style, this one right here, just go ahead and tap on it. You'll be finding different clock style available for your lock screen. So you can just go ahead and choose the one you prefer. For example, I'm just keeping this one right here. After that, you can also choose up the color if you want. Different colors options are available. I'm choosing this one right here. And once that is done, tap and done. And the changes should be applied. So that is how you change the lock screen clock style. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And we will see you on the next one.